You spill your coffee, you're late for a meeting, your inbox explodes, and someone on social media just pushed your last nerve. Sound familiar? Now, imagine living that same day, but without spiraling, oh meltdown, oh snapping at your partner, just clarity, groundedness, and the strange ability to breathe through the chaos rather than be buried by it. Too good to be true. Welcome back. Today we're exploring the silent revolution reshaping how people experience their most stressful, noisy, chaotic days. Not by escaping life, but by engaging it differently. This is the true power of mindfulness, not a trend, not a buzzword, but a quiet force with the power to change everything, from your morning commute to your toughest conversations. Let's strip away the fluff. Mindfulness isn't about becoming a monk or meditating on a mountaintop. It's not about being calm 24/7 or ignoring problems or floating through life in a haze of incense and mantras. Mindfulness is the practice and the skill of being present, fully, on purpose, without judgment. It's about meeting this moment as it is, with attention and intention. That's it. No crystals required. But in a world of increasing noise and distraction, that simple act has become radical. Let's be honest, we are living in the era of reaction. A news breaks, a panic, a text buzzes, a jump, a meeting runs over, a snap, our kids shout, a scroll. Every day is a gauntlet of stresses, and most of them small, but constant, and that constant friction, it wears us down, physically, emotionally, spiritually. You wake up already behind, your to-do list outpaces your breathing, you overthink one comment from your boss, your phone pings again, you forget to eat mindfully, you check Instagram for just 5 minutes, and lose 45, you're exhausted but wired, your body's here, your mind's everywhere else. And you start to wonder, is this just what life is now? It doesn't have to be. Let's rewind that a bad date and play it back with mindfulness. The alarm goes off. Instead of grabbing your phone, you take 3 breaths. You feel your feet on the floor. That's mindfulness. Your kid throws a tantrum. Instead of yelling back, you notice your rising frustration. You pause, you respond. That's mindfulness. Your inbox is full. You take 30 seconds to breathe before replying. That's mindfulness. You eat lunch without your phone. You taste your food. That's mindfulness. You don't fix the chaos. You navigate it. That's the revolution. Mindfulness doesn't eliminate challenges, it transforms your relationship with them. Let's talk about the inner shift. The magic of mindfulness is not that it changes your external circumstances, it's that it changes you. You go from reacting on autopilot to responding with intention. You stop getting hijacked by every emotion, every thought, every inconvenience. You become less like a leaf in the wind and more like a tree rooted in the ground. And it doesn't take hours of practice to feel the shift. Try this micro practice. The 30-second breath reset. Wherever you are, pause, inhale slowly for 4 counts, exhale for 6, repeat 3 times. Congratulations, you just interrupted your stress loop. You just returned to now. Or try this. Mindful bite. At lunch, choose 1 bite of food. Put your fork down, chew slowly. Notice the texture, the flavor, the smell. That's 1 moment of grounded awareness. Stack enough of those small moments together, and your entire day changes. Let's look at some real-life transformations. Case study 1, the difficult conversation. Sarah was dreading a conversation with her co-worker, a history of tension, miscommunication, and passive aggression. Instead of rehearsing her defense, she practiced mindful listening. She focused on her breath, softened her jaw, stayed present with every word instead of planning her rebuttal. For the first time, they heard each other. The argument never happened. Hay studied, from procrastination to flow. Anil struggled with focus, constant multitasking, scattered thoughts, and stress left him starting and stopping projects without progress. He began using mindful, focus sprints, 20-minute work blocks with full presence. Oh phone, oh tabs, just one task. Within a week, his productivity soared, but more importantly, his anxiety plummeted. This is how peace becomes practical. And over time, something deeper happens. You become resilient. You stop personalizing every challenge. You stop being held hostage by mood swings. You build an inner space no one can invade, not even your own racing thoughts. This is the core gift of mindfulness. It doesn't make life easier, it makes you stronger. So how do you start? Here are a few simple, actionable steps to kick off your quiet revel. 1 mindful minute per morning. Before you check your phone, sit quietly, feel your breath, hear the sounds, notice your thoughts, but don't follow them. Choose a daily anchor. Pick one routine: brushing your teeth, washing dishes, walking the dog, and make it your mindfulness moment. For presence, no distraction. Use reminders. Set random phone alarms labeled read or notice. Let them bring you back. Gratitude scan. Before bed, list 3 things you noticed and appreciated today. Not big achievements, just real moments. Smile, quiet, sunset. Shona community. Apps like Insight Timer, Calm, or 10% Happier offer guided meditations. China group, share your journey. Mindfulness grows deeper in connection. And most importantly, start imperfectly. Don't wait for the perfect routine, or the silent room, or the long weekend. Mindfulness lives in now, Anna. And as you build this practice, slowly, steadily, you'll feel the revolution. You'll notice less reactivity, or clarity, less tension, or choice. You'll realize that the world hasn't changed, but you have. You'll remember that you are not your stress, you are not your schedule, you are not your fear, your feed, or your feelings. You are the one watching. You are the one breathing. You are the one who can choose. Right now, right here. So here's your call to action. Don't wait for peace to find you. Practice it. Live it. Reclaim it. Your quiet revolution begins now. If this message stirred something in you, drop a comment below. What small act of mindfulness will you start with today? And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who might need a breath of clarity in their chaos. Until next time, stay grounded, stay aware, and remember the most powerful transformations begin not with noise, but with presence.